Hello everyone. Now if you are a certain age, you'll remember this type of vehicle. It was enjoyed by bank managers and used by bank robbers. The year? It's a 1967 Jaguar and it's in absolutely stunning condition. Now these vehicles come in all shapes and sizes and all types of condition. And the reason why we're going to spend a little bit of time talking about this particular vehicle is because of the great condition that this is. So let's go a little bit more into detail. It's a 1967 Jaguar 3.4 S-Type straight six. It's a manual with overdrive. The colour is in a beautiful metallic green. If we look at the front, well, you can see the registration number there. We'll go all the way around, we'll take our time. It's all about presentation. It's all about making sure that the vehicle is in good condition. Because like we started with this video, a lot of them don't really come up to scratch when you actually see them. This one is well worth a visit. The wheels, beautiful chrome. The chrome work on the bumpers, etc. have all been re-chromed. The chrome around the windscreen and the windows is in beautiful condition. Electric aerial. Let's look down the body line while we're here. This is always a telltale. You know, there's no car park dents. I'll show you the other side in a minute. So let's have a look inside. It's only had a couple of owners. I think it's only had 4 previous owners. Now, the work that's been done is extensive. You've got suede green leather upholstery and that gorgeous walnut veneer dash. And the walnut continues onto the door. And all the bright work, all the chrome work inside is in fabulous condition. The seat, there's no sign of any wear. Lovely vehicle. Let's look in the rear. In fact, let's just stand back for a minute. It's a fabulous colour. Look inside. And again, those seats are in fabulous condition. The doors, the pocket, the chrome work, the veneer, the windows. The reason why I'm spending time talking about it is because I'm trying to emphasize the difference between a good car and a bad car. This is a good car. And as we started at the very beginning, we said about bank managers used to buy these cars and bank robbers used to use them. Twin tailpipes. Chrome work on the bumpers, fabulous. Rear window. It's the 3.4 S. Now, I'm not sure whether you know, but the 3.4 S Jaguar has independent rear suspension. And this is the same independent rear suspension that the E-Type Jags have. Fuel filler cap, there's one on both sides. Twin tanks. Body line, again, there's no car park dents. Now the vehicle was resprayed, it had a total repaint a few years ago, and the previous owner has cherished this car. It's been garaged, it's been looked after. But you know, look at that chrome work. I'm getting nice and close so you can see the difference. All the wheels, all the tyres are all in good condition. We're looking on the passenger side. It's locked. Let's open up the front. Again, the door, the woodwork, the walnut veneer. I know this for a fact because this was only done about 18 months ago and it cost the previous owner £2,500 just for the walnut veneer. It's a 4-speed manual with overdrive. It's still got the original radio, which is a Motorola. And for modern day driving, he's also had installed a more up-to-date current one, which has got Bluetooth connectivity as well. If you're looking for a classic that will always appreciate in value, I don't think you go far wrong with something like this. Let's have a look from a distance. It's a lovely colour. The brakes have been upgraded. The engine has been overhauled. In its life, it's had a total repaint and there's no blemishes. There's no marks on the paintwork. There's no stone chips there. Bumpers again. Beautiful condition. But really, it's just waiting for this next owner. You can't get away from quality, and that's what this vehicle has in abundance. It's classic in every way. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. We'll take one final look all the way around. Again, all the wheels, all the chrome. This is what you pay for. You're paying for attention to detail. No MOT, it doesn't need it. No road tax, doesn't need it. It's a true classic of the 60s. Thank you for watching.